Hi students, welcome to physics classes. Now we will discuss model paper 6 AP State 10th class physics. Only physics we will discuss here. Now one more questions. First question is write any one application of specific heat. Write any one application of specific heat. Now we have three applications in our textbook. We have three applications in our textbook. First one is oceans. Oceans absorb large amount of heat from the sun, but there is no rise in temperature. It will moderate the atmospheric temperature. Next one is samosa. Now samosa, if outside even if it becomes cool, inside curry vegetables have more specific heat so that it stays hot for a long time. Even outside becomes cool, inside it will be hot for long time. Next one, watermelon. Watermelon, even it is taken out from the fridge, it stays cool for a long time. Even it is taken out from fridge, it stays cool for long time. So these three are the applications of specific heat. But in the exam they asked only one, right? Any one application. So any one is enough. Next question is observe the following table and answer the following questions. Now they given four materials and their resistivity in ohm meters. Resistivity in ohm meters, and asked questions: which one is good conductor? Which one is good conductor? Now here resistivity given. The material which has low resistivity is acts as a good conductor. Material which has low resistivity is acts as a good conductor. So here in the given, copper has low resistivity. Copper has low resistivity. So copper is a good conductor. Copper is good conductor. Next, which is insulator? Which is insulator? Now in the given materials, air is a insulator. Air is a insulator. Okay. In the next question, name the device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Name the device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Now here electrical energy we are giving, mechanical energy converted. We are giving electrical energy that can be converted into mechanical energy. Now that is electric motor. Electric motor is a device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Sometimes they will ask reverse, mechanical energy to electrical energy. Mechanical energy to electrical energy. That is generator. That is generator. Next question, choose the correct statement. They are given two statements. In that which is correct or both correct we should choose. Now iris enables pupil to act as a variable aperture. Iris enables pupil to act as a variable aperture. Now pupil is a small hole present in the iris. Now when bright light comes, pupil size will be reduced. When dim light comes, pupil size will be increases. So that is done by iris. Iris enables pupil to act as a variable aperture. Variable aperture. So A is true. Next, B. Ciliary muscles adjust the focal length of eye lens. When we are seeing far objects, eye lens has maximum focal length. When the object is coming closer to the eye, least distance of distinct vision, eye lens focal length will be reduced. That is done by ciliary muscles. That is done by ciliary muscles. Yes, both are true. Both statements are true. Next question, complete the given diagram. Next question, complete the given diagram. They given convex lens. What lens it is? Convex, biconvex lens. Object is placed at 2f2. Object is placed at 2f2. So we should complete the ray diagram. One ray will take parallel to the principal axis. The ray which is passing parallel to the principal axis, after refraction it passes through the focus. Passing through the focus. Now second ray we can take passing through the focus or passing through the optic center. So the ray which is passing through focus after refraction passes parallel to the principal axis. Passing parallel to the principal axis. So here image is formed. Here image is formed. Now this is one more question. So we need not to write about nature and size of the image, but sometimes they will ask, so we should write, we should learn. Now what is the position of image? Position of image is at 2f1, and the size of the image same size of the object. Now next question, write any two questions to understand the process of evaporation. Write any two questions. They asked you to write questions. Write any two questions to understand the process of evaporation. Now the question is, first simply we can write what is evaporation. First question simply we can write what is evaporation. Next, on which factors evaporation depends. On which factors evaporation depends. Next, still we can write what is the surrounding temperature during evaporation. What is the surrounding temperature during evaporation? Means it is increasing or not. Evaporation is which phenomena? Now we need not to write answers, just for understanding purpose I am saying you. What is evaporation? Evaporation is the phase change from liquid to gas at any temperature below the boiling point. Or we can write escaping of water molecules from the surface of liquid at any temperature below the boiling point. On which factors evaporation depends, or what are the factors affecting evaporation also we can write. What are the factors affecting the evaporation? Surface area, humidity, wind speed, rate of change in temperature will affect the evaporation. Next, what is the surrounding temperature during evaporation? Surrounding temperature reduces. Evaporation is a cooling process. Which evaporation is which phenomena? Evaporation is a surface phenomena. Evaporation is a surface phenomena. Okay. Next question. What do you mean by electric shock? What do you mean by electric shock? And explain how it takes place. Explain how it takes place. Now, electric shock is the combined effect of electric current, potential difference, and the resistance of human body. Electric shock is the combined effect of electric current, potential difference, and the resistance of human body. Electric shock is the combined effect of electric current, potential difference, and the resistance of human body. Now, human body resistance is not constant. It is variable. When our body has sweat, it has low resistance, and our body is dry, we will have more resistance. Okay. Now, when we touch a wire of 240 volts, when we touch an electric wire of 240 volts, at the time if our body resistance is 1 lakh ohms, our body resistance is 1 lakh ohms, then current entered into our body is 0.0024 amperes. If we touch a wire of 240 volts, when we touch the electric wire of 240 volts, if our body resistance is 1 lakh ohms, our body resistance is 1 lakh ohms, then current entered into our body. We have formula from Ohm's law, V equal to IR, then I equal to V by R, that is equal to V how much? 240 volts and are 1 lakhs ohms. Then if you do simplify, 0.0024 amperes current is entered into our body. When this current is entered into our body, it creates disturbance in our body, and it creates the disturbance in the functioning of our body. That disturbance is felt as electric shock. Disturbance is felt as electric shock. Now if this current continuously flowing, it damages the tissues of our body. So if this current flows continuously, if this amount of current flows continuously, it damages the tissues of our body. Then whenever these tissues are damaged, resistance of our body decreases. We have taken here resistance of our body is 1 lakh ohms. Then if this resistance still decreases, flow of current will be increases. We touched the same wire, but current will be increases. Then whenever resistance becomes low, current flowing into our body increases. It leads to death. Now next question, 4 more questions. 12th question has choice. They will ask any diagram here. Draw any diagram. One physics question diagram. Next second question, chemistry diagram. Okay. Now draw the magnetic field lines due to current carrying solenoid. Solenoid means it will be in the spring shape. In that magnetic field, when it is carrying current, magnetic field lines formed by the solenoid when it is carrying current. Now spring. This is the solenoid. Now I will consider it is a north pole and it is the south pole. Okay. Now magnetic field lines travel from north pole to the south pole. Magnetic field lines traveling from north pole to the south pole. This side also north pole to the south pole. Like this. Now you draw 2 lines between. North pole here coming towards south pole. Now this side also another 2. This is magnetic field lines due to current carrying solenoid. If you draw 2 or 3 times, it will come neatly. Okay. Next question, what is the reason behind the shining of diamonds and how do you appreciate it? This type of question, one question compulsory for an exam. Many times if you see previous papers also, one question compulsory they are asking, how do you appreciate it? These are very easy questions. Now what is the reason behind the shining of diamonds? Now the reason behind shining of diamond is total internal reflection. The reason behind the shining of diamonds is total internal reflection. And diamonds will have high refractive index. Next, critical angle of diamonds is very low. That is 24.5 4 degrees. Critical angle of diamonds is very low and it is equal to 24.4 degrees. Due to the low critical angle, whatever the angle of incidence is, almost it is more than critical angle. Which is more than critical angle? Angle of incidence is more than critical angle. So always there is most chance to get total internal reflection, then diamond will shines. Okay, what are the reasons here? Total internal reflection and high refractive index, low critical angle. These are the reasons behind shining of diamonds. Now we can highly appreciate it due to the shining used in most of the ornaments. Okay, we can highly appreciate because of its a shining nature. Then it is used in most of the ornaments. Okay, next 8 mark questions. Now first question is, a person can see near objects clearly. The person can see near objects clearly and cannot see far objects. He cannot see far objects clearly. What is his eye defect? He is able to see near objects clearly. So it is nearsightedness. What it is? Nearsightedness. Nearsightedness is also known as myopia. Nearsightedness is known as myopia. Now, how to correct this defect? By using biconcave lens, we can correct his defect. Now, explanation. This explanation clearly I given in another video which is available on our channel, and with this you see hypermetropia also. From the both defects, one question is very important. Both are important. Any one question has most of the chances to come in the exam. Next question, for 15th question, 8 mark questions are having internal choice. For 15th question, choice is explain the process of working of electric motor. Electric motor is a device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Electrical energy into mechanical energy. Now its working process and with the diagram I explained in a video which is available in our channel. Please go through it. From the chapter electromagnetism, if you search the playlist in electromagnetism, electric motor, you can see there. Previous question also, human eye and colorful world playlist I created. In that playlist you can see this question easily. Next question, how do you experimentally prove that sin I by sin r is constant? Sin I by sin r equal to constant. Now this question already there in our channel. Sin I by sin r equal to constant when light ray traveling from rarer medium to denser medium, pro-circle, semicircular glass disc activity. Okay, very important. It is available in our channel. You can go through the playlist. In the playlist, refraction of light at plane surfaces. You can go through this video. And with this, next one more activity is there, that is denser to rarer, which is very important. From these two questions, one question guarantee for exam. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more updates.